When you want content quality, there's one place I'd rather be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family.
Hey guys.
What's up? What's up? You know, we're doing a little bit of exploring, you know?
Yeah. So the new Fontana building is open up, or should we say plaza, should we say shopping area?
Yeah. It's Parkway Square is the name of this place. Uptown Portmore. Hello.
Hi.
What's up? Hi. Yeah, man. Uptown Portmore, you know?
Yeah, so basically come over here. Say hi again, Carrie. Carrie, so. I tell you.
Yeah, guys. So one of the main reasons why we come out to, you know, Carrie J come. A bit of excitement, you know. He's been doing really well with his studies.
Yes.
You know, so he got like almost a perfect score in his PEP, you know, grade 4 PEP. We got the results last week, so we are come treat him, you know.
Yes.
But this is Starbucks right here. Starbucks right here. So if you don't know, come for a while. So Starbucks. See the sign there? Starbucks sign. It's to open, I think. No, it's not open yet. They're still preparing. It's not open yet. This is probably open tomorrow, I'd say. Them look very close, you know.
Oh.
And
okay.
Fontana. The LED light them a flicker in the camera, guys. Pardon me. So them Christmas light they a flicker because of the lens, I guess. So this is it. Fontana. Yes. Fontana. I went for Christmas decoration and stuff.
Yeah. To look and not touch, alright, baby? Look.
No.
Decorations right here.
You hold on pan him, you need a leash for him, babe. You need to put him on a leash.
He's ready to go exploring, you know.
You got one of those already? Sorry.
Thank you very much.
This is a pharmacy,
The drug section over there, so.
Okay. Mommy, can I touch it?
No, just wait. I like the makeup section right here.
Where's those knobs though? Damn.
How much money them stuff down by themselves for?
I haven't bought one in a while. But in the last time I paid for one, it was like $1,200. But I haven't gotten it in about a year and a half.
No, I want to see them.
You want Jaden?
I want to see them.
Yeah, where's Jaden? Jaden.
Right there.
Jay, come. See me here. See Kyrie, come. Here's Jaden. See Jaden here. Alright, come.
Okay. But hey, remember you have to ask mommy before you touch. No, let's not touch it. Show mommy first and then wait on mommy to answer, okay? See that mommy, can I touch it?
It's crazy. Hey, what's up? Yeah. Those are what, like candle jars? 6,500 add to the 7,000 add to this, you know. Oh, man.
Okay.
Alright, come.
Remember to ask mommy before you touch. Don't touch it until mommy says it's okay to touch it.
Daddy,
Yes?
my double.
Mommy trouble? No, but you gotta stay.
No. I'm going to stay there.
I think.
Jay, put the ball down. Please and thank you.
Yes, leave the one. Leave the one, baby. I'm telling you, these kids.
Crazy.
Hold it. Of what? Carry just one thing just so you see just like what can I grab and play with. Nothing really grabs his attention, it just wants to get stuff. It's a dinosaur. What kind of dinosaur is it?
Yeah, so this store, it's really fancy, you know? Decor fancy. You feel like you're, you know, some foreign place or stuff like that. Yeah. Decor really breathtaking in a way, you know? Really nice. This is a huge store too. The store is massive, you know?
Yeah. Wait,
What's that?
I love little stuff like this.
Oh, okay. So mini tasters? Okay. Oh, and them have pot sets. Them have pot sets and them stuff there too.
Oh, look at this one.
Oh, you like ramekin kind of vibe, like?
Yeah, but they're the big ones, so you can do your casseroles and your, you know?
Okay.
Right down to the small one and they have covers. I like that.
Huh? Oh, then probably, let us see the book price. If them reasonable, you can probably grab a couple.
I think it's this section, Jim.
And them have stuff to, for like projects also. Alright.
This section, Jaden.
Sorry. For like, oh, you get a dozen for downtown, you remember? You remember?
I got the champagne one for like less than $1,000, like $850.
Too expensive here, Jay. We get some. Alright, we can grab a couple and then we can grab a few, like probably 2 or 3, and then tomorrow we get the rest of the bookstore.
Maths, extra lesson.
Just for tomorrow. Just the one that they're going to need for tomorrow and they will get the rest.
Maths, extra lesson.
Just grab
Just
3.
match and extra.
Alright, fine. So we're going, so these kids in 5th grade, they run through the books so far. So how many books to buy, Cass? But how many books to buy for him? 1 dozen books to buy for him. 1 dozen notebooks, and we're in November and the 1 dozen notebook done finished already.
Yeah.
So we have to get some more. So we're gonna get a couple.
Like 5 or 6 more.
Yeah, we're gonna get a couple here now today, and then we go back to the bookstore and get the remainder.
Carrie has a basket, so we can use. Agree.
Spray ground bag, eh? How much are those?
I don't know. Oh, baby. You want Alice in Wonderland, if they pick up a Alice in Wonderland book.
Look on the tag, Jaden, if the price is on the tag.
This is an authenticity card.
Yeah, when we're looking for the price.
Oh, we have to ask somebody who works here.
Oh no, just
I like this red one.
Yes, that one nice. I saw it on the
Yeah, it feels good. It feels good. See the price here on this one. 16,000.
What?
16,000. Yes? They're like 16,000 for this one.
Oh, that's like what, 100 and something?
Like basically 100 US almost. Little more than 100 US.
This one is expensive.
Yeah, you're not that bad, you know.
See, babe, you're misleading.
What do you
Kyrie's
say?
reading this story one day.
Oh, uh-huh.
He's reading this story. Read the story, baby.
Mm-hmm. Yes?
This one is 32,000.
Yes, you're reading me a story? Nice. Kyrie, put it back in the basket, Kyrie. Kyrie, put it back in the basket. Yes. Put it up on the counter, Kyrie. Put it up on the counter. Yeah. Alright. Yes.
Fragrant bag, I can tear it and then refund it.
Alright, so we're going over there at the plaza?
Yeah.
Alright, so escape out of Fontana.
Literally.
If you're not careful, you know, trust me. So we're going over to this big Chinese built mall across the street. See it there on the car. Check it out. A big place just across the street. You know.
So
Wanna check that out?
all the things going on for Portmore. Remember, what was last year? Last year we had Price Mart come in, and now we have Park Square. What is this? Patroen?
Parkway Square.
Parkway Square, which is Fontana and all these nice things, course and everything in one. And I'm kind of anticipating, I don't know, but I'm anticipating them probably opening up this fence.
Yeah.
So we can
Just go easily
enter,
over Price
you know?
Mart. That come like a Walmart. And you know the color
Yeah.
kind of look like Walmart too.
Because it's be so much better. Yeah. Before Carrie started his runaway episode. So I'm kind of anticipating them opening up this fence right here, so that we can basically have free terrain or free passage through both of the compounds. I think that would be good. That would be really, you know, a big advantage to the shoppers here, in that we don't have to come out through this one and go back around on that busy main road again. And I'm anticipating that the traffic levels on this road, which is, I don't know the name of this road, but it basically runs from CIBC, Fontana right here, so go all the way back up to Patroen road up there. So, yeah. Babe, your gas thingy is open. Adrian's gas tank is open. Alright, got that. Yeah, so enough new things are going on Portmore.
So that's Parkway Square, you know. Well, we don't consider the whole of this Parkway Square, not just the plaza, you know. So this is on Patroen Parkway. And it's a really nice name. I kind of like the name with them come off with, you know. It gives a vibe. It gives a New York kind of vibe.
Yeah,
A New York City kind of vibe.
It does. And opening up that fence would give you one of those, you know, big mall kind of like feel as well. So that should be good. So I was just saying that a lot of stuff is happening in Portmore, because here we get our Price Mart. First we get Sovereign Village right here, which was, you know, like a big improvement. And that was like when I first moved over Portmore. That was like in 2019 thereabout.
Yeah.
Then we got Price Mart, and we got the expansion of Sovereign Village. Now we have Fontana, and then we have this big Chinese plaza. Basically in this square, in this intersection.
Yeah.
So this intersection is just flooded with a lot of new activity, buzzing with, you know, a lot of entertainment areas, a lot of shopping areas, So yeah, check you back in the next 5 years. Don't worry, I'm gonna look like.
Yeah, man, Portmore. I'm there, so I grew up. Come see Portmore turn this metropolitan area.
Tell us what Portmore was like when you were younger.
Well, for me, Portmore was a lot of bush, only per bush. We did only have like when I just came here, the only mall there was Portmore Mall. The Portmore Mall. That was like the only mall that was in Portmore. We never used to could do nothing at Portmore. Just sleep and you head to Kingston. That's basically it. You couldn't get no services. Now you have tax office.
Yes.
Mind you, we had the movie theater. We had like Skateland. We had the skating ring from back in the day. Yes, at least we did have Skateland and we did have the theater from back in the day. But that was it. You had a few communities like Greater Portmore and so on, but most of the place was bush and cane peace, you know, but the thing changed up now. So they're doing like the maintenance. So yeah, we add gas. Alright, my gas up. Super sweet. Mommy, you ready?
I wish I did get one of these black
head, little bit of head, you know. Oh God, look.
So
you're kneeling eye too?
Yeah, I felt like I feel
Oh
like
shit. Oh jeez. Oh, the man nicking at it. What go on?
Leave me up in the tire them. Say that almost a follow from it, I'm gonna go so.
Come Gary, stand up.
First time when I crashed, it was because somebody did lick me out. I was coming around the corner, and a lot of people were around that same corner, and then they licked me.
But just run him down and lick him.
Oh God, it's supposed to be painful when it come off though. I just hope that your nail not get damaged. I just hope your nail not damaged tonight. Then we'll soak it off. Alright. Are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
Alright, so Kyrie, you ready? You ready? Alright, you wanna go home? Alright, let's go home. Yeah. Ooh. Fun evening though. Man. You want to what? You want to turn on the tablet? You want to turn on the tablet?
I just come in and say I want tablet.
Guys, I'm not lie, the most fun that I ever have in a little while, you know, I'm not telling a lie. You know, as much as me expect the go-kart driving to be fun, but man, it's crazy, don't you?
Yes.
You love it? Alright.
You like it, Kyrie? Kyrie, you like driving the go-kart?
Mm-hmm.
You want to do it again?
Alright, Jay, listen up. Alright, so we see in the next report. You see on the next report, you must get all hundreds here. It's like how you get, how much you get? 30 what? 38.9?
38.9.
Out of 40. Yeah man, so Jay, like how you get almost 100 on your PEP exam. More on the next report, you get 100. Yeah? Yeah, so we had fun. It was a good vibe. You had fun too?
It was good. Until when the bar got my nail.
Guys, I see like a big accident in front of me, you know. I see tire fly everything, you know. I realize that the chaos to blow. Chaos and Kyrie.
Because he never affiliate me, he lick me up in the tire, them drop on me, I forgot so. Right?
And then wait at
them. Yeah, it's like the tires fly up in the air and then they drop on me, so we have to go so this nail got broken. It's gonna cost me money now to fix and it hurts.
Oh jeez, I'm not supposed to say the nail and damage too bad.
I have to hunt him down and give him a lip. I send him up in the tire.
Kyrie, come here, Kyrie.
Drop back on him.
Come tell him hi. Come and say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Say good night.
Good night.
Yeah.
Say I had fun driving with mommy.
I thought it was driving the mommy.
No fear to me. See, even when the tire them drop, my man still dead here. Kyrie is something else.
Mommy to be out.
No,
Mommy to be out.
you are.
To be out.
Everybody has something else, you know. You want to know that something else? Everybody has something else. Okay, I want to unbox something, you know.
I do. We can do it.
I want to unbox something. You want to do it now?
I want to do it now.
Alright, flick it out now. Lift it up for me.
Turn on this now? Or turn on
No, the light not enough. Hold on, let's take up this one. Let me show them one. Let's take up this one. Yeah, take up this.
Jay, come lift it up for me.
Baby, just 20 pounds. Lift up this something now, man.
I don't want to lift up no heavy pounds.
Wow, she just great excitement. I said, guys, Kias never like, well, I'm telling you like that. Kias always says she not lift up nothing, not even in the clothes basket, nothing at all, she don't want to lift up. The other day we go buy some stepping stones. The lady at the place, she made the stepping stone them, and as she lift them, them come in her car.
I saw her. Kudos to her. But in this house, Cass don't live. You see that big butt man here? Him live. You see that one here? So them muscles. Don't tell him say weak, you know. If I should ever say him can't manage, he's offended. Like, so you see, like, I got men in this house. Why should the only female in here be lifting when there's 3 men here? I don't think so.
Alright, so Cass get a mixer. You get me? I say this our what you call this? Pastry mixer.
This is a stand. I don't know what him think I got. No, but anyway. I can't interpret that. I don't know what's happening really. Listen, this is my moment, okay? This is my mixer. Oh, a mixer, must say. Okay. Alright, I figured it out. Alright, so.
Alright, we're gonna get the ring light. I'm plugging the ring light right now, guys. Right away. I'm plugging the ring light right now. Look how Kyrie provoking, man. Kyrie provoking, no boy, you. And Jane don't tolerate him more while. Not all the time, no, but more while than tolerate him.
Alright, so let's talk about our mixer, okay? Guys, I have been wanting a mixer for the longest time. The longest time. And the other day, I was on my phone and I saw this mixer on sale. Less than $100. Now, if you don't know, this is not the small one. This is like 5.5 liters or quart, whatever that is, number.
It's a quart.
So it's 5.5 quarts, so this is not the small one, okay? This is not the small one for less than $100. My jaw dropped to the ground, and Adrian was like, okay, let's buy it. That's a miracle moment too. Because even down to a toaster, him no want to buy it. But anyway.
No, guys, let me tell you one. So, a long time, a year she asked for one of them, you know. And I always see the price them, so hefty price. So, I see it pop up for 100 US. I say, fine, let's grab it. Because I see them in a store at 45,000.
You're lucky, 45,000 is
60,000.
cheap, but it's going for 100,000 now.
So
that's expensive, and this.
no, I'm gonna afford that the answer one. I think at 45,000 I see for the other day. I think so. Something to that extent, but that's way cheaper than what we actually get it for. So, alright, pop the thing up, man. Let's chat in, pop it open.
Let's chatting, pop it open.
I'm so excited. I just can't hide it.
Why are you hitting me?
Move your hand, Jay. Move your hand.
Wait. Safety first.
I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Check it out now.
Mess with him.
See that, guys?
I messed with him.
See
That's
that?
why I messed back with him.
You have like two big brands. You have the Cuisinart and you have the what? KitchenAid.
KitchenAid, yeah.
So KitchenAid.
And Ninja.
Ninja too.
Alright, remember no boy for the Ninja.
Look which part in there.
You love it? What are you doing up there? How you reach up there, Kyrie?
Look part in there.
Kyrie, how you reach on the counter? Listen,
You need something for what me or so. Or no? Yeah, so. Alright.
Yeah.
Bam. Alright. Yeah. Here you go. There you go.
Vanilla.
There you go. You got your manual.
Manual.
Why are you hitting me?
And the weight is not that bad either, because for some reason I thought it would have been heavier.
20 pounds.
20 pounds, yeah.
20 pounds is less than a rice, above a rice.
Depends on the weight of the rice.
What did you say?
Stop.
Wait, hey, Kyrie, calm down. This is my dog. Listen, Kyrie, this moment is for your mommy, okay?
Alright, so
And for you. Can you unwrap it for me, please, baby? This is my dough hook. This is my beater.
what is this?
Oh, this is the shield. This is what, like when you're adding flour or you're adding ice cream sugar to your mixture. Sometimes when you start beating or mixing, it will flare up in your face. So this prevents you from having powder face or flour face. So you put this on it to prevent that.
And this?
This is.
The feed stuff through that?
I guess so.
You know so much about this.
I guess so.
Just a long time apparently.
So
Wow.
I love the color.
You can see yourself.
Alright.
We just figured out how to do it.
Alright, run it now.
Alright, this is the lever, right? So it was a bit stiff. Asian loosened it up. So you press it down while lifting the head. And it lifts up. Yeah, like so. Thank you.
Kyrie, what is this? What is this, Kyrie?
That's right.
I've been playing with that all week and it's his favorite thing, as Jaden said. Never forgets his flashlight. So this is the mixing bowl where I'll be making y'all bread in. And y'all donuts. And all your cakes and stuff. Yeah. Are you guys excited for some bread?
I mean, man.
Y'all excited?
I'm excited for you too, cause you get your heart's desire.
I do like it. Been wanting one for so long. So I'm finally have one. I'm excited about it. Okay, so how does this work now? So
you push it, yeah, to the groove.
To the groove. And
you turn, yeah. No, yeah, everything I turn. Wait, don't push. Just get it past and then turn it this way. Wait there. Yeah, we figure it out. Why this a turn?
Everybody at school says I'm going to go kart.
So this is my dough hook. So I shall be using my dough hook to make some dough. And this is what my dial.
What is dough? All-purpose mixing product dough, perfect dough. You have to read it to figure it out.
I will.
Yeah, man.
Can you tell that I am really happy and excited for this?
Yeah, guys. So Cass get our long-awaited mixer just in time for the holidays.
I always do it up.
You know. So she'll go do all of the baking and the this and the that.
Yeah, but you just tell him. Well, we can make cheesecake for your birthday.
Okay. But my birthday is this week, guys.
4 days away.
You know, so if you don't want to bless me up, the PayPal dede, thedelpradfamily@gmail.com. You know, that's our PayPal. Can bless me up. This I never ever thought about. This is like improv. It just came to mind. So yeah, if you don't want to bless me up, you don't know where to drop that. You know, so yeah, man, we are gonna sign out the vlog from right here, guys. Jay, you enjoy yourself?
Yes.
Good.
Kyrie, you enjoyed yourself? Kyrie, found a new
Kyrie, have a helmet.
Found a new use for
Kyrie,
it.
have a helmet. Yeah, man. Guys, we are gonna sign out from right here, so you know. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching as always, guys. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video.
Yes.
All right, we're always happy when come over and watch the video through to the end. So the fact that you're right here, you've watched it all the way through, and chances are you've liked it. So click the like button, guys, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Alright?
Post notification bell, put the setting on all, guys. That's one of the dancing symbols.
Yeah, man.
The sides.
Yep. So we out, guys.
Peace.
Yep.